Double murder in St. James includes Canadian national. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives from the Major Investigations Division, the MID, have launched a probe into the double murder of a Canadian man and a woman who were gunned down in Greenwood, St. James on Thursday night. The police have released the identities of the deceased as 61-year-old Clayton Cooke, who was of a Toronto address, and 37-year-old cashier Cooke of Greenwood St. James address. Reports are that at around 8:10 p.m., the Canadian was in the process of dropping off the cashier at her home when they were pounced upon by gunmen who opened fire, hitting both of them in the process. The assailants then made their escape in the motor car which was being driven by Mr. Cooke. The bullet-riddled bodies of the two victims were found by the police, who were later called by residents who heard the loud explosions. The victims were taken to the hospital where they were subsequently pronounced dead. The vehicle in which the gunmen escaped has since been found abandoned in the general area where the crime was committed. The police have since commenced an investigation but have not yet established no motive for this latest gun attack. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to comment this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.